We are here today at the TechCon Lesotho 2019, which promises to be an exciting...
And we're discussing issues of how to capacitate people in the corporate world for the fourth industrial revolution.
Let me express my heartfelt gratitude to Basadi Tech for giving us this opportunity to learn what is happening in the world of technology.
I declare this conference officially open.
Basadi Tech is a non-profit that aims to address the gender parity in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics fields.
We sponsor an event like this to continue to educate and empower people as far as technology is concerned.
When we think of the fourth industrial revolution, we think robotics. We think, damn, Skynet is coming. Yes, there are going to be changes as the fourth industrial revolution comes, but like all the other revolutions, these are changes that are aimed at improving our lives as long as we manage them more effectively.
Blockchain is mainly defined by three aspects, or which are its characteristics. So if a person comes to me and asks me, hey, what's blockchain technology? I'll simply say, blockchain technology is a distributed, decentralized database, and it's governed by a protocol that allows for peer-to-peer transactions and institutes network-wide consensus.
I'm going to talk about object recognition and how that is implemented on the one hand in the brain and on the other hand in machines. And I feed it into the visual system that we see here. So we have the eyes, so the rays reflected from the tree hit the eyes. And then the eyes are connected to the visual cortex, which is right at the back of your head.
AI is basically using like any techniques that we use to make machines mimic human behavior. So moving into machine learning is basically training a machine to predict things or to make its own decisions.
Technology creates so many opportunities, right? So whatever we see on the internet, whatever we see that has been presented here, that we don't see in our everyday lives, is really something we should think about as individuals sitting in here, because it presents an opportunity for us.
These three have been selected mainly because they are the institutions that have computing courses, right? So we want to hear from them. Maybe they can tell us, what have they done of late? What are their plans, if any? What courses are they offering?
Courses like or modules in artificial intelligence, like expert systems, machine learning.
We have different modules like visual reality.
Let us understand what we understand by 4IR.
4IR means computers everywhere and helping us do everything.
The fourth industrial revolution, its implementation will be specific to each country based on the current technology landscape on each and every country.
Vodacom Lesotho is the first mobile operator in the continent to launch 5G. The biggest advantage of 5G is latency.
Virtual reality is a simulation of either a real world that already exists somewhere, but now we are trying to generate that world using your computer.
A drone is simply a robotic aircraft, or it's a flying robot in simple terms.
These days when you talk about cybersecurity, we talk about things like how are we safe when we're doing clouds, when we're on cloud? How are we safe transacting online?
We have the Asukuda World System. It is used to manage our border processes. It's a web-based application where our clients, the clearing agents and the self-declarants, they make use of that system to declare online.
One of the technologies in the fourth industrial revolution that we are exploring is cloud computing.
On behalf of Basadi Tech, we are really happy and excited. We like to thank you so much for agreeing to bring your students here.